viewers, welcome back YouTube new tips and trick. Today I will share with you how to increase view and subscriber on YouTube channel. Several steps you can take to begin the process here. I will share with you. First step, you need to make the thumbnail of the YouTube video very attractive, very nice and clear and meaningful. That is make the best thumbnail in all the respects. Second step, you have to write the video title very narrowly, short it out so that someone can understand the title of your video after a while. And always keep in mind that people want to open your video after a while. So nowadays no one read the full title of the video. Third step, you have to do SEO very well. SEO means search engine optimization. After a lot on YouTube as part of this search engine optimization. There are three major ones. Video title. A total of 100 words can be used to write a video title. The more word in the title, the better. Of course, meaningful. There should be video titles about what people are searching for more. Video description. Try to find a number of keywords in the description of the video you are making and write them in the description. Video tag. You must input the video on the subject you are making the video with. You must enter the name of your channel twice or three in different places so that when you watch a video, you can see one of the video in the suggest videos below. There are many other things like video and audio quality. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe my channel and stay with me.